Hi guys, welcome to our first week of Learn at Home. It's Miss Fitzpatrick, and I thought I'd just create a video just to get you started and to make sure everyone's on the right track for our first week of learning by yourselves at home. So I'm going to ask each week that everyone make sure that they're logging into our Google Classroom. That's what we're going to use for all of the material and me getting messages across and all of our classwork and submitting assignments. And every Monday morning, I planned to post by 11:30 an outline of what you need to do for the week. Each week should be approximately 3 hours of work, and there'll be a Google Doc here with an overview of what you need to do for the week that you can click on each week so you can make sure that you're doing all of the required work. So this week you'll see that we are going to start the finance unit, and we are actually going to start by participating in that online stock market game. I know I mentioned it in class and I wanted to make sure it still worked, and it is going to work. And I think it's a really good way to get us all kind of back in the swing of things, and it's a really fun activity to do online. So that's going to be our goal for this week, is to learn about stocks. It goes over what you need to do, and then we're going to log into the game, get our accounts set up, and start to navigate through a few different readings and assignments to make sure that you know how to work it completely so we can start trading next week. So back to the classroom. Every week when you first log in, I'm going to ask that you go up to here. You're going to see week 1. I would like you to just click on this very quick survey. All it simply is an attendance survey. So you're just going to put your name, indicate that you've been on, and if you have certain questions, you can put them in here and I'll get back to you with the answers to the questions. And then also here's a link again to that checklist for the week. So this week it says go to the stock market. So you have to do lessons 1 and 2 for the stock market. So for lesson number 1, if you click on number 1, it asks you to watch 2 videos, review the slideshow and take some notes. And then there is a document here, a Google Doc, with some questions and calculations on it about stocks that you should be able to do once you've reviewed these 3 things first. So I'm going to ask that you open up that assignment, complete it, and hand it into the hand-in folder here by Friday. Second thing, once you're done that, you're going to go to lesson number 2 and you are going to log in to the online stock market game so you can start to learn how to use that site. So when you're on here, I'm hoping this is going to work first try. You are going to hit the link. Perfect. It is going to ask you to enter a username and password. Oh, what happened there? Username and password. Your username is your first name dash BBI. So if it's Sarah, it's Sarah dash BBI. I've set up accounts for everyone, so it should work. If it does not work, just email me. So I'm going to log in. My username's a little different than yours. Everyone's password is going to be business. You're going to be required to change that when you get in, but for now it's just business, and you're going to hit login. Okay, you'll know you've logged in correctly if you've logged in and it says welcome Sarah-BBI or whatever your first name is -BBI. I'd like you to click on your profile. You can put a picture there if you'd like. You can upload one by editing your profile. But for now, all I want you to do is change your password, okay? So you're going to type in business here and you're going to put in your new password so that no one else can log into your account, okay? Make sure you change your password. All right, next, once you've changed your password, you are going to go to the top and there's lots of different tabs here. Don't get confused. Always go back to dashboard if you're confused with the site, okay? And it's always going to be the same here. Once we start trading, you're going to use a bunch of these different tabs. You're going to use these trading tabs. You can see what stocks you have. Everyone starts with $100,000 and you can see your bank account. Virtual money, not real money, I wish. But for now, we're just going to do some assignments. And the assignments are just an overview of the site and how to trade. So everyone's going to hit the My Assignments. And once you get here, you're going to see it's broken down into 2 sections, the Stock Market Basics And then we have intermediate investing tips, and eventually we're going to have a section called advanced. For this week, I would like you to go through, you're going to view the assignment, and you're going to complete it. And once you've completed it, this will change to 100%. And you're going to just go through and make sure that you've watched the videos or taken a couple quizzes or read an article, whatever it might be. Because once you're done this, you'll be at the point where on Monday you can start, like I said, trading. I'm not going to get into any trading details right now. If you think you're ready to trade, you can navigate and play with the site and start trading, but don't worry about that, like I said, until next Monday. If you have any questions, please make sure you email me, okay? Thanks.